If you know these 3 rules with ChatGPT, you'll be better than 80-90% of ChatGPT users. Rule number 1 is to provide context, as much context as possible. Context just means information that you already have or know, just throw it in. It doesn't matter what format, it doesn't matter if there's spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, it doesn't matter. Just literally go and copy and paste something that you already have on your computer, or something that you know, or something even possibly that you could pull out either sometimes from ChatGPT itself or from Google that you could add into the question. Second is being specific with what you want, kind of giving a more thorough explanation of what you need. If you ask a generic thing, you'll get a generic answer. If you ask a very specific thing about exactly what you want, then the AI will be able to exactly figure out what you want and give you that thorough explanation. And third is stream of consciousness. Don't be stingy with your words. Type your heart out. Don't hold anything back. Express your thoughts freely as possible. And the more you share, the better AI will kind of assist you. So overall, the overarching theme is just give it more context, basically.